In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Edge to Brave. If you're moving over to Brave but want to bring along your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and other settings from Microsoft Edge, Brave has a simple built-in importer that handles it for you. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Give it a moment to load to the main window. Everything we're doing today works the same on Windows and Mac OS, and you don't need Edge open for this to work. Once Brave is up, look at the upper right corner of the window for the menu button. It looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that to open Brave's main menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This opens Brave's settings in a new tab where all the key controls live. On this page, you'll find options for privacy, appearance, and your profile, but we're heading straight to the Import tool. Look for the option labeled Import Bookmarks and Settings. Click it to open the import window. In the import window, you'll see a drop-down list of browsers Brave can import from. Choose Microsoft Edge. Below that, you'll typically see checkboxes for the types of data Brave can bring in. Things like favorites or bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, autofill form data, and more. Keep the items you want selected. If you're importing passwords, your system may ask you to confirm with your device login, which is normal and keeps your information secure. When you're ready, click Import. Brave will process the data and show a quick confirmation when it's done. After the import completes, your bookmarks should appear in Brave, often in the bookmarks bar or inside a folder named something like Imported from Microsoft Edge. Your history and other selected items are now available too, so you can continue browsing without missing a beat. If you don't immediately see the imported items, try closing and reopening the Brave tab you're on, or just give it a moment to finish syncing. If Edge doesn't appear in the list, make sure it's still installed on your computer and up to date, then relaunch Brave and try again. And if you add new bookmarks in Edge later, you can repeat these same steps to pull the latest changes into Brave. That's it. Open Brave, go to the menu, choose Settings, click Import Bookmarks and Settings, pick Microsoft Edge, and click Import. You're all set to enjoy Brave with your familiar data ready to go.